Alright guys, so welcome back to the video, and today what I have with me here is the Kingston MobileLite Duo 3C. So this is a MicroSD card reader, it's a MicroSD reader here. So one thing about this is supports USB 3.1 as you can see, and also as a Type-C connector for easy access to transfer files between your smartphone and your PC. So you can see this is how it looks like. So we can put SD card and also plug into the PC if you want to. So let us go ahead and cut this open and take a closer look at this product. So there is one more model, I think it's another model by Kingston as well, but that one doesn't have a Type-C connector. So this one actually is better, just paying a bit more and you'll get the extra Type-C connector for transferring files to your smartphone, which I'll show later. So let's just take out this product first. Okay, here it is. So oh, what's this? So they did give a strap here, you can see. I'm gonna pull it out first so I can give you a closer look. So you can see there's a strap to hook the your card reader. It's nice. Let's just take a look at the device first. So it's quite small. And here we go. So here is the device itself. It's a metallic finish here, pretty nice design, very compact, Kingston logo. And we're gonna move this cover, so this will unveil the Type-C connector. Here we go. So this is the Type-C connector which I'm talking about. We're gonna use that later. And where's the slot for the SD card? There we go. There's the slot for the SD card. So what else do we get? We also get this. So I think this is a strap for you to hook onto your USB adapter, which is nice. And that's pretty much it in the box. So let us put all the things aside. And right, so this is how it looks like. And this is my SD card. You can see my microSD card, and we can actually slot in right over here. Yeah, here we slot in here. It should be this way. Just slot in over here, and just I think it should be that's it. So once it's already in, I think you can start plugging into a device. So I got a smartphone here. This is a Galaxy S10 and it has Type-C. So let us go ahead and set it up pretty quickly here. Let me just plug it in. So you can plug in any side, so it's Type-C, and it should install something or detect the drive. Alright, go to my files again and try again, and there we go, USB storage 1. So it should come out like this when you plug into your device. So you can go to your USB storage 1, you can browse the data here. You can see all the videos I got. You got the Grand Tour. Let's play this. You can see it's playing without any issues, you can see. So pretty nice. And once you're done, we can go back. So I'm gonna go to settings. Let's see, device care storage. Okay, so you gotta go to these three dots here, storage settings, and then you can see we have the USB drive, and we can eject. So unmount, and we can unmount now. So that is how you do it, and that is all. So once you're done, we can actually plug into a PC and check out the speeds of the USB 3.1 speed here that we got for this USB adapter. So let us try it out on my PC over there. Alright guys, so we are back in the PC. So I've plugged in the USB adapter with the microSD card inside. You can see all these files here in the USB drive. So this is my drive. So I'm going to copy a file over and see how fast is the write speed towards my PC. So I'm just going to paste here and take a look how fast. You can see we're achieving almost 90 megabits of speed here. Pretty impressive, because the speed this is to be expected. We are getting USB 3.0 speeds because my computer only supports USB 3.0, so that's what we're getting. But if you have a device that supports USB 3.1, you can get faster speed. So that's pretty quick actually to transfer that file. So pretty impressive. So you're gonna copy back the file here. It should be So this is the copying speed of transferring back to the USB drive. You can see the speed around 60 megabits, 62. So pretty fast. It's faster than my old one, obviously. So it's very nice to see the speed increase by like 3 times for me, because earlier I was using an old USB 2.0 adapter, so the speed was not that fast. So this one is pretty fast. And by the way, guys, you need to have an SD card that can support this type of speed as well. So it also depends on your SD card as well. So make sure you get a good one like mine, then you'll be good to go. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching the quick unboxing and the overview of the Kingston MobileLite 3C Duo. Oh, sorry, Kingston MobileLite Duo 3C, whatever. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.